Hey everybody, welcome to SQL Bits. My name is Tomaz Kastrun and this is Enrico on Laar. And we'll be delivering a full-day training on applied data science with Azure Machine Learning Services. Yes, we are passionate about data science and have been working in this field for the past 20 years. In this full-day training, we will explore how to build, deploy, maintain predictive models with the help of powerful Python SDK to create end-to-end machine learning solutions in Azure Machine Learning Services. So, if you are a data scientist or a statistician, or if your job title is machine learning engineer, I bet you this workshop is right for you. But then again, if you're a data analyst or BI analyst, maybe big data analyst, or infamous data engineer, data architect, tech leader, DevOps engineer or business leader, we are sure that you will also find this training very useful. Hey, but don't go away. If you're nothing of the above, we want you to learn new skills, so come on and join us. So, already curious? Yes, let us explain what we will be doing during the workshop. So, you will learn how to, do the basic concepts of data science processes and what cloud services can bring to the table. We will get on board with designing and preparing machine learning solutions, explore the data, train the models, and tune your prediction models. We'll also learn how to prepare the models for deployment by creating pipelines, the use of MLflow for monitoring and retraining your models, with Python SDK or PyTorch, and the use of models, datasets, and solutions with other Azure services, we will create end-to-end machine learning solutions. Sounds like fun? Yes. So, don't forget to bring your laptop and, of course, Azure subscription and a smile and a good mood. Thank you very much, and see you in March of 2023 at SQL Bits.